I'm Diane Burley. I am the Chief Content Strategist for MarkLogic. MarkLogic has been a 10-year partner with RSuite, and we're also a customer, so we're really excited about the relationship. I think when we roll this out, what we're going to find is that RSuite has improved productivity, it has improved reuse. Right now, MarkLogic information is in so many different silos, and our salespeople are always asking, do we have this piece, do we have that piece? And so one of us is always being tapped to be the company dam, and you know, it'll be great when these guys are finally set loose and they've seen promos of it and they're so excited. They just can't wait. They know it's going to be a huge production booster for them. So the benefits of implementing RSuite are several. Right now, information is stored in many different silos that are not searchable across those silos. Additionally, as we do horizontal plays and we go into brand new industries, there may not be information that has been created specifically for an industry, and yet there may be keywords that are tangential. So if we're going into oil and gas, for example, they know that something on commodities may also play with that. So if that word has been used here, they're now going to be able to use it. Also, we find that information use cases are put into PowerPoint decks, and of course RSuite, with using MarkLogic as the underlying indexing tool, indexes every single word that's within a PowerPoint. So now that one or two slides that were within the middle of a deck that applied to oil and gas can suddenly be found. So we're going to be seeing all sorts of benefits like that. Well, we are in the process right now of having the marketing team put all of the assets and collateral into RSuite and checking on the workflow and the usability and what are the things that people will want to search for. And we know our salespeople, they want to be able to search by audience, they want to be able to search by version, things we hadn't necessarily thought of. And we didn't have these tags on collateral in the past. Another aspect of managing marketing collateral is that things perish. It was applicable until the new release, and then at the point of the new release, well, where was that asset? How do we get it out of circulation? So I think all of these things are going to be really, really helpful. Going forward, I think that we're going to be able to plan for collateral much better because we'll know what we have. We really never was able to create a census. I was looking at some of the dashboards that you guys, or dashlets that you call them, and I'm thinking that we could even do those by vertical. So as we start to have work with our chief technology officers and domain specialists within a given vertical, they can create a dashlet on that industry and start to see information populate. At a glance now, we'll be able to say, hey, this collateral is missing. So I think that this is going to be able to assist us. One of the other things that I can see happening is that if this is as successful as I think it's going to be, I can start to see other types of corporate information going into this. There's been some talk about, would we put legal documents into this? Could we have statements of work? Could this now become a repository for training documents? Right now, everything is siloed, and our IT guy is sort of salivating, going, boy, if I could get everything into one system, you know, how much work is this going to take off his plate if he's not managing all of these different repositories? So, you know, it's as we roll it out and we evolve with it, I think we're going to see new uses all the time.